Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And in today's tutorial guys, I like to focus on the issue where of course or on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra you're having major problems with screen sensitivity after installing a tempered glass screen protector. Now I currently have a tempered glass screen protector on this screen that was installed and it's working quite fine. Touch is working very effectively. All right, so I'm going to show you what you can do to get it up and running in case you install. Now a few tips: make sure that your install is done properly. Check your front camera, front facing camera, to make sure that the screen is not obscuring your vision, and of course through the front camera, and of course your fingerprint also. Make sure that your fingerprint is okay. If all of that is okay, chances are you have aligned everything properly, especially if it looks in perfect alignment. After this guys, go to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go down, and what you're going to do guys is you're going to go to display. Since this has to do with the display, then you're going to go down and you're going to see touch sensitivity. Now of course right here guys, my touch sensitivity is on. For you it might be off like this. Go ahead and turn it on. What it does is to increase the sensitivity of the screen, especially to touches. You're going to find that the screen works way better and more responsive with that being turned up to account for the glass. All right, so that's a key one. In most cases, that alone should solve the issue and you have to do nothing else. In a few other cases, some people still are having issues. If that's the case, these are additional things to try. If it's working already fine with just that first settings, do not enable anything else. But of course, if you're still having issues, try these additional ones. Now you're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings, guys, you're going to go down to the option that says accessibility. Then you go to visual enhancements. Once you go in visual enhancement guys, in some devices you need to remove animations and basically prevent some screen effects. And you're gonna see if by turning this on, I do not have this on, but for your case it might work. So for this one, turn it on and it should remove some of the animations. You might not even notice anything, but it should improve the touch capabilities. And of course in some cases people have had great experience with that, so try that out. And of course if that doesn't work, another thing that you can try in some cases that work is to turn on the always on display. To turn on the always on display, go to settings. Again, you're going to go into display and then you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to go to always on display. It's all the way at the bottom, and of course make sure it's on. And of course again, once you turn it on for the always on display, make sure it's on and you can customize it as you need. If it's not on, as I said, make sure it's on. You can customize it as you like, but as long as it's on, it should help out in most cases. All right, so I've already done all of that. If you do all of that guys, chances are the touch should start working perfectly and you should be good. And of course, outside of the tempered glass being totally defective, you should be good in terms of the ability of your device to operate. All right, so I think I've covered all the major situations under which you can fix this problem. If you have any feedback, please leave it below. As always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.